Hello, this is How To Bob, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the door panel on a 2008 Chevrolet Equinox. We're going to get started out by removing this screw right behind the door latch handle here. It's a Phillips screw, and I just loosen that up and take it out. Now this cup or cover here is held in by this little clip here, so I want to make sure I don't break that off. Then I'm going to use an upholstery tool or a pry tool. A plastic pry tool is good. Metal would scrape this up. And I want to remove this trim piece that goes along the armrest here, and it's held in place by a few clips. So using a plastic tool will keep from scuffing up your interior, and it's also got a little hook right here. You can see that it's hooked in the front. It's also being held in place by clips in these locations here. Next, I'm going to remove the two bolts that hold the armrest in, and to do that I'm using a 10mm socket. There's one located here and another one in the front, and I just loosen those up, take out the bolts, and then I can put my pry tool behind the door panel, and there's clips all the way around the exterior of the door panel, and those just need to be popped out of place. Once all of them are out of place, I just lift up on the door panel and it should pop right off. Now you can see the pieces I was talking about right here. They're all the way around the exterior of the door, and you can see where the holes are. So I'm going to go ahead and put the door panel back on. I hang it from the top, and I make sure that all the clips are in place just by pushing on the door panel where the clips go into the holes. Once I get those in, I can go ahead and replace my screws for the armrest, and then I put my trim piece back on by hooking it in the front and snapping it in the holes. Just put that in the front here, hook it in, and it snaps right in the holes. Make sure you go all the way down around the corner. And last but not least, I put my cup over my door opener and put my Phillips screw in. Make sure I put my clip in, put my Phillips screw in last, and that's how you remove and replace the door panel on a 2008 Chevrolet Equinox. I'm How To Bob. Thanks for watching.